In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup for time tracking. Time management is an art, especially when it's about managing your work or projects efficiently, and what better way to master this art than by using one of the most versatile project management tools out there, Clickup. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, tracking time in Clickup is a handy feature that can elevate your productivity to new heights. So let's dive right into the process and make your time count. First things first, head over to the Clickup website. The platform brands itself as the everything app for work, and rightfully so. Its comprehensive suite of features caters to a wide array of project management needs, including the all-important time tracking. Upon reaching the Clickup landing page, the next step is to access your account. Start by entering your email address. This should be the email you used when you initially signed up for Clickup. It's how the platform identifies you and connects you to your workspace. After you've entered your email, the next step is to input your password. Remember, this is your key to unlocking all the features and projects waiting in your Clickup workspace. It's essential to keep your password secure and complex enough to protect your account. Once you've carefully entered your password, it's time to hit the login button. This action whisks you away into the heart of Clickup, where productivity meets efficiency. Now, you're ready to tackle the task at hand, time tracking. Finding your way to your workspace is crucial. In Clickup, each user has their unique workspace that houses all their tasks, projects, and importantly for today's tutorial, the time tracking tool. Navigate to the Home section of your workspace. It's here where your tasks and projects reside, eagerly awaiting your expert management. Now it's time to get to the time tracking feature. Look for the waffle icon Clickup's menu symbol that hides various tools and features of the platform. Clicking on this icon will reveal a range of options, but we're interested in one specifically today, Track Time. Clicking on Track Time opens the door to the functionality we're here to explore. It's a simple yet powerful tool that allows you to record the time spent on tasks or projects. Time tracking is not just about billing or accountability, it's about understanding how you work, so where your time goes, and how you can improve efficiency. Here comes the part where you actively manage your time, entering the time. Whether it's hours and minutes spent on a specific task or logging time for a completed project, Clickup makes this process straightforward. The interface is user-friendly, designed to make time entry as seamless as your workflow. After you've entered your time, don't forget the final step, saving your entry. Click the Save button to lock in the time you've tracked. This action is crucial. It ensures your time is recorded in Clickup, contributing to your project timelines, productivity insights, and even billing if that's part of your workflow. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using the time tracking feature within Clickup. This function is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the capabilities of Clickup, but mastering it is a step towards effective project and time management. Tracking time can provide insightful data into how you work, helping you identify where efficiencies can be gained or where too much time is being spent. Plus, it's an invaluable tool for teams to stay on track and align their efforts. Remember, the key to efficient time management is not only about tracking, but also about evaluating and adjusting based on what the data shows you. Clickup's time tracking feature is an excellent ally in this process, offering a straightforward method to log, review, and strategize around the one resource we all wish we had more of, time. Whether you're managing personal projects or coordinating a team's efforts, integrating time tracking into your workflow can illuminate productivity patterns and propel you towards your goals with more precision and less wasted effort. So, take these insights, head over to Clickup and start making the most of every minute. Your projects, team, and future self will thank you for the diligence and insight that comes from effective time tracking.